This is Ella's high altitude flight. She hasn't armed it yet. Armed the launcher yet. Hold on. I will do the countdown starting from 5. Wait a minute, not yet. Hold on. Let me get back behind you.
Yeah, do your countdown too. Wait, no, not yet.
Alright, ready? Starting with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, liftoff.
It's right there. Sarah, you're not supposed to say anything. What? You weren't supposed to say anything. Alright.
Hey, I may have timed this one just right. It may come right back to us. Look at it. There it is. That was pretty good. Good girl. Look how close we came back to the launch pad.